I believe this is the best summer watch, so I did what any sensible person would do and I took it to the beach, of course. This is the Venezianico Cielo GMT. Of course, the name coming from the word meaning sky, which is obviously referring to the color of the dial, which is this Tiffany blue, maybe baby blue mix, which is spectacular. This is the second Venezianico watch we have had on the channel and both have been really pleasant surprises. One of the things that I always ask to the brands that send me stuff is that I really want to give my honest opinion, and Venezianico people have been nothing but on board. Not to mention that if the product was bad, I wouldn't even accept it. For starters, the design of the watch is perfect. The case is 39mm, which on paper sounds like a small watch, but when you measure the lug to lug, it makes the watch feel bigger because of the bracelet. Of course, the main point of the watch is the dial, with that Tiffany blue or baby blue color, which is spectacular, and I think that the Venezianico team did a great job with the combination of the white details and the blue dial, which makes it, of course, the best summer watch. I was really excited to take a lot of watch straps to try on the watch, and to my surprise, this white tropic strap looked amazing. It matches perfectly with the white on the bezel and the details on the face. I also tried different colors like yellow and blue, but to me the best one was the white one. Then I got to try the bracelet, which was super comfortable. Of course, the design looks like a Patek Philippe, but I think it's really well made and balanced with the watch. I can't tell you how many people ask me about the watch, because it is a watch that demands a lot of attention. Even though it is a small one, people can sense the quality from really far away. One thing that I would change though would be the lume. I think it is acceptable at best, but I believe that if the team would have added some lume to the bezel, it would have been on a complete different level. Generally, dive watches have a screwed down case back, but in the case of this watch, we have 6 bolts that hold the case back together. Some people would be scared about that, but let me tell you, I tried the watch, I surfed with the watch, I played on the beach with the watch, and there was no problem. It never felt flimsy, it never felt delicate, it never felt like water was going to get in, so it works perfectly for the water. And just a reminder, I really enjoyed this watch on the beach. The movement inside is the Seiko GMT, which is a marvelous movement. When Seiko launched this GMT movement, it opened the doors for a lot of brands to be able to offer us GMT watches for a really fair price. Because before, there was only Celita and ETA Swiss-made movements, which of course, them being Swiss-made, made the watch twice or thrice more expensive. The benefits of this movement is that it's basically a workhorse mechanism. It can last a long time without a service, and when the time comes, it is really easy and cheap to service it. The watch, being small, works perfectly for small wrists, but at the same time, because of the lug-to-lug and the bracelet, it works perfectly for people with big wrists. So we have the best of both worlds. The bracelet is really comfortable, and I think I could get used to wearing it almost every day. The dial, being so bright, obviously because of the color, makes this watch a hard one to use as an everyday watch, because I think people would get tired of it. I think this watch wears better on tropical places, or even in the snow. I might have to take it skiing just to try. As you can see, in just a weekend, I was able to change the strap 2 or 3 times. It was amazing and I really enjoyed it. Not just the watch, but being able to combine a lot of bright colors with it. The retail price for this watch is 512 euros or $570. I think it is really reasonably priced when we put in perspective everything. We are on the same branch and level of the Seiko GMT watch, which obviously has the same movement. And I think this watch is super beautiful. Really well built, really comfortable, and of course, we have the Italian design from the people at Venezianico. Undoubtedly, I believe that this watch is worth 100% the price. But what do you think?